Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to answer Coinbase questions. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now tap on to the perpetuals options right here of the derivatives. Now here you can find the option of finish sign up just right here. Now to answer the questions, simply tap on it. Then here is the questions given by the Coinbase. Now it is asking about our experience. Now tap on to yes, these apply to me. Then you can simply do the question answer just right here. Now simply add your answer true or false. And after that, tap on to continue. Then tap on to agree and continue. And now you have answered the Coinbase questions. And that's it. This is how you can answer the Coinbase questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.